Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to replace a detent mechanism assembly for Affinity bed from HillRom. So this is the part which you have seen here. The part number is shown here, and this is the part number here. Okay. So first, when you check bed, you have to make sure that the bed lever is coming back. So if you feel like the bed lever is not in position when you press the brake on this one, it's not in position and it's not coming back, and when the bed is shaking, if it is coming back, we can make sure that the bed is like not brake is not working. So what you have to do is you have to make the bed in the highest position. So this is the part you can see here. mm, and you can see also the part number here. So what you are, the part for this one is fixed here. Then the base of the bed, so it's very difficult to change the part over here. So what I have done is here, I have fixed a support on the headset section of the bed, and another support will be on the foot section, as you can see in the video. Yeah, you have to give the power. Then what you have to do, you have to go to side rail, and you can press the bed down. So you can see in the video here, I'm pressing the down button. So when you press the down button, the total down for the wheel section will be coming up. So the whole bed will be standing on the two supports, like head section support and the foot section support. Yeah, you can see here that the part is here. So for removing this part, you have to remove this four screws and the side cover also. I'll be showing this one in a few seconds. If you want to change the wheels of the bed, because so here you can see that I have removed the cover of this cover for this detent assembly, and you can also see that when I rotate this one, it's not holding. The plastic part is not put tightened to the other part. It's loose.